Good afternoon, everyone. So today, I really feel grateful, honored, and privileged to stand here. Not only stand here as a student, but as a student who has scored not only the highest marks in school, but in the entire Hojai district. And to be honest, this journey was not at all easy. My journey was not a cup of tea. It was a cup of black coffee. Why? Because I had to face very severe health disease, and fighting this, despite these health challenges, I was consistent. And behind this, a huge role has been played by my papa, mama, my teachers, everyone. And I'm really very grateful for that. So this achievement is not just my personal celebration, it is a communal celebration for all the institute, and it has been set as an inspiration to my juniors as well. Now, last but not the least, to all the students right there, to all the people who claim that arts is easy. Yes, I as a student, as a school topper, I agree that arts is easy to pass, only to pass, but to excel, it is not a cup of tea. You need true dedication, true efforts to pass this subject, to excel this stream. So even if you score highest, that doesn't matter. What will people say? She took arts, it was easy, a cup of tea, that's what she scored so highest. But contrary, if you score very low, the same people will come over and tell you that despite taking arts, such an easy stream, she could not score well. So in either the case, you are being judged. So why to listen others? Focus on yourself. Focus. Believe in yourself. So to all my dear friends, my fellow mates, and to all those uncle and aunties who think that arts is easy, then I would like to say that it's not an easy. So it is not an easy stream. It is difficult too. Only who studies, they know the pain behind that. So don't get demotivated by such topics. Believe in yourself, because you know what is your dream. You know what you have to achieve. So last but not the least, Jai Hind, and thank you, sir, because you have given me this platform to raise my voice. Today, not only Al-Nurim, everyone sitting right there, I'm representing their feelings, isn't it? So you have to take this chain. You cannot break the cycle. I don't want only 96. People should score more than 98%, even 100%, to make this myth not a stereotype but a practical resolution that arts student to do hard work. Jai Hind, and I would like to conclude in this way. Thank you.